Hello friends, welcome back to Coding with Rahul. In today's video, we are going to solve 10 medium-level SQL queries. These are very common in interviews and real-world projects, and I'll explain each query step by step. Even if you are a beginner, don't worry. I'll keep everything simple and easy to understand. So, grab a notebook and let's start learning SQL together. Question 1. Find the second highest salary. Let's start with a classic question. Finding the second highest salary from the employee table. Here's the query. Explanation. First, we find the maximum salary in the table using max salary. Then, we look for the highest salary that is less than the overall maximum. This gives us the second highest salary. This method works well even if multiple employees have the same top salary. Question 2. Employees earning more than average salary. Next, we want to find all employees who earn more than the average salary. Explanation. Here, average salary calculates the average salary of all employees. Then we compare each employee's salary to see if it is greater than the average. This query is useful for identifying high-performing or highly paid employees. Question 3. Find duplicate salaries. Sometimes we need to find duplicate records in a table. For example, employees with the same salary. Explanation. We group employees by salary and count how many have each salary. Having count, asterisk, 1 filters only the salaries that appear more than once. This helps find duplicates in your data. Question 4. Department with maximum employees. Now, let's find the department that has the highest number of employees. We group employees by department_ID and count how many are in each department. Order by total_employees DESC sorts from highest to lowest, and limit 1 gives the top department. Question 5. Find the fifth highest salary. To get the fifth highest salary, we can use limit with offset. Explanation. We sort salaries in descending order, skip the first 4 salaries using offset 4, and pick the next one. This gives the fifth highest salary. Distinct ensures duplicate salaries don't affect the ranking. Question 6. Employees without a manager. Some employees may not have a manager. To find them, we use. Explanation. Null represents missing or unknown values. So, any employee with manager_ID as null does not have a manager. Question 7. Employees hired in last 3 years. Next, we want employees who joined in the last 3 years. Explanation. CurDate gives today's date. Date_sub, CurDate. Interval 3 year calculates the date 3 years ago. We compare hire_date with this value to find recent hires. Question 8. Employees whose name starts with A. To find employees whose name starts with the letter A, we use like. Explanation. % is a wildcard that matches any number of characters. A% means the name starts with A and can have any letters after. This is useful for pattern matching in SQL. Question 9. Top 3 highest paid employees. To get the top 3 highest salaries, we can write. Explanation. We sort salaries in descending order, so the highest is first. Limit 3 picks the top 3 employees. This is useful for reports or ranking employees. Question 10. Employees working in multiple projects. Finally, let's find employees assigned to more than one project. Explanation. We group by employee and count the projects they work on. Having count, project_ID, 1 filters only those with more than one project. This helps identify employees involved in multiple projects simultaneously. That's it. Today we solved 10 medium-level SQL queries with full explanations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coding with Rahul for more Python and SQL tutorials. Comment below if you want me to create a video on 10 advanced SQL queries next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.